Hello everyone, my name is Longley. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you some of the information about the real estate market in Arizona for the week of December 13, 2021. So let's dive into what we have, okay? All right, so this is the episode that I am doing every single week, happening around 6 p.m., 5:30 p.m. on Monday, and which I'm gonna cover all the information about the real estate market in Arizona, and specifically today in this episode, we're gonna talk about some of the important thing I want to share with you. Okay, so let's take a look at this. I wanna pull up this for you. All right. So about the market overall, oh, I forgot to share with you. Sorry. All right. Sorry. Technology always having a difficult right here. All right. So I'm sharing with you the information from the Comfort Report company. This is a very reliable real estate data company specifically for Arizona. And we are looking at the first chart right here. This is update. Last update is actually yesterday morning, right? That is the newest information that we have. About 4,295 active listing on the market. This is not including a contract backup or a contingency backup, okay? So this is active listing on the market, meaning that those are available for the buyers to make offer. This is update Sunday morning. Today is probably changed a lot because normally the listing agent gonna accept and then talk to the seller after the weekend. So this number may not be accurate anymore. But as you see, we are looking at the long-term C, we're gonna see that that number is actually decreased for the last couple, like from October to November, we see an uptick, right? October to November, we see an uptick right here because right here, right? So we worry that the market is slowed down, but in fact, for the last couple of weeks, we see an actually downtrend, meaning that even though in December we still do not have a lot of houses on the market, and which contribute to more kind of difficult for the buyers to buy right now. Okay, so for the sale per month, this bar chart right here showing the number of closed transactions from this day to 30 days prior to that. Okay, so according to this, right now in the month of December, we still have about 15 days left on the of the market. So that's the reason why there is a big gap right here. But as you see, hopefully, last year December here, right? So we're expecting somewhere around here, which 15 days on the market, and with holidays and Christmas and New Year's and Hanukkah season, I'm afraid that we're not gonna meeting that number this month. So we'll see, right? We have been seeing November, we already lower than that. Last year, October, we already see lower than last year also. But we're not going to be able to see this high of sale number in the month of December. Again, this is the kind of expecting trend for the last couple of months when you compare to the number of sales of last year, right? Because high price may be one of the reasons why the buyer kind of stop and put a hold on buying, as well as recently, as you know, Zillow has been stopped buying houses on the market as an iBuyer. So that also contributes to the less in demand as well. This chart right here showing the blue bar, the blue right here is showing the list price, and then the green one is showing the sale price, right? So we observe that obviously seen here, obviously seen around here, February of 2021, right? From February of 2020, This is when COVID started, and then we see that the sale price kind of go above the list price. And then February of 21, we kind of see that the situation switch. And as you see here in this right here, in this market right here, in this range right here, right, we see a big gap between the sale price versus list price. This is actually the best period for you around April to October, the best period for the seller to list their home on the market. But unfortunately, right now we see that the blue line kind of meeting with the green line again, meaning that there's not a lot of overpriced situation. There are still, obviously, you see the 269 versus 261 right now. They're still overpriced, but it is just less overpriced compared to 4 or 5 months ago. Okay. Yep. And then the next chart that I want to show with you is the accepted contract, right? This is also as of Saturday last week. So this chart might be even higher today if there's a lot of activities. We see that there's a downtrend here a little bit in starting of December, and now but it's now starting picking up. Okay, so perhaps maybe that is the time when this is during Thanksgiving, and then now we start seeing a lot of activities again. That which is good for the market, because without accepting contract, meaning that the market is going to slow down a lot, and we don't really want that to happen for those of you who is owning a home, right? This is the median agent days on the market. So this is by week. Okay, this is by week. Everything you see here is by week. This last chart is here is represent the week of December 5th, which is normally is 10 days, right? 10 days. So we see that a higher trend for the last couple of weeks, as you see here. And then this is right around Thanksgiving right here, 17 days. So there's not a lot of activity going on here. That's why it is sitting on the market for a little bit longer. But as you see in general, we see right now in about 10 days on the market where you are gonna see a buyer putting an offer into the property. The average list price per square feet at contract acceptance is sitting around 271, 271.87 right here. So that is, well, I'm sorry, about 272, 272.71. It is not a big difference, right? But you see, this is still in the trend of going up, meaning that we still see a lot of people saying that the market's gonna go south. However, as you see here, all the charts indicate that we still see a lot of activities of the sale contract, even though it's less than previous year. And you see that the list price is still, the sale price is still above the list price, as well as the list price per square foot at contract acceptance is still going in an uptrend. So there's a lot of things that I'm gonna share with you in this video. Hopefully, if you cannot catch some of the information, you can rewind it and then rewatch it again. Or you can contact me directly at my cell phone, 602-515-2442. Thank you. Bye-bye.